My name is Gandy Osburn. I am a master's degree student at the Bush School of Government and Public Service at Texas A&M University, and I am participating in the internship program here at Swansea University. My internship was with an assembly member at the National Assembly for Wales. I worked for Simon Thomas's office, and I did a lot of policy research. I did a lot of office support duties, and I spent a lot of time reviewing reports that could eventually turn into legislation. And it's really provided a lot of insight on the policy-making process, which I didn't have a lot of experience with, and provided really useful skills for policy use in the future of my career. As a study abroad program, Swansea University provides the perfect home base for students. Me and my classmates spent a lot of time in Swansea during our classes, and then we would travel to Cardiff for our internships. So we really got to see different areas of Wales, which was really exciting. We also got to visit a few areas in rural Wales for some events with our internships. So we got to see the countryside, we got to see the city. It was really exciting. But we also got to spend our weekends in other countries. Because Wales is so close to England, to Scotland, to Ireland, we were able to travel a little bit and really get the most out of the experience and bring our classroom outside of the four walls and really learn from the areas that we were experiencing.